Mark Zuckerberg just laid down the new law of the land at Meta: use AI or GTFO. That's the announcement that was made to us Meta employees in admittedly less blunt terms than that. Let's break it down and analyze the implications here. Before we do, just a kind reminder to like the video and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks, and without further ado, let's dive in. Alright, so the die has been cast. It's AI or nothing now. And for the record, for those of you that watched my The Good, the Bad, the Ugly at Working at Meta video, you'll know that I actually predicted this exact thing. Starting in 2026, AI usage will be directly tied to your performance evaluation. Before we discuss the implications, let's be very clear about the two things which you'll be evaluated on, so we can at least understand what's changed. There's two high-level categories in which one will need to show some sort of AI usage going forward. The first is using AI to deliver quote-unquote high impact. The second is going to be building AI-driven tools, solutions, products that would in some way improve the productivity of your team or org. So it's pretty straightforward. Either use AI to supercharge your own individual output, i.e. more code, more features, more impact, or you're going to need to build tools which use AI to then make those around you more productive and have more impact. This is all part of a cultural shift of Meta, of something called AI native. I won't discuss it here, but I'll do it in a follow-up video. I just want to focus on the forced use of AI. To play devil's advocate, I can 100% understand why they want to do this. They have been tracking all of the relevant usage data and output metrics since AI was integrated into the company, and they've come to the conclusion that based on the data they've collected, using AI brings some X% productivity or output increase for employees on average. And it follows that if you basically force the entire company to use AI in one way or another, then you'll see the same X% boost across the board, and ipso facto, the company's profits will increase. There definitely have been improvements to my own productivity and output as a result of AI, so I can't really argue with them wanting employees to engage with AI. What still remains to be seen is just how much of an expectation they place on it. Is it a simple, maybe just use it 10% of the time, or is it going to be 40%? No one really knows, and depending on how much of a lift they expect in the baseline productivity, this will determine whether Meta is now just going to become a sweatshop or it's just going to be somewhere that's boosted by AI. But let's now talk about the downsides, and oh my god, are there so many things wrong with this. To start, on the last point I just made, who knows what the expectation here is? Is it 10% more productivity, 15% more, higher than that? Nobody knows. And what's to stop them from a year's time saying that, well, being 10% productive is now the new norm and we now expect 25% from employees? It's that classic meme. You exceeded expectations, but I expected you to exceed expectations. So you really met expectations. And since you met expectations, but I expected you to exceed them, you're actually below expectations, and now you're fired. The goalposts will constantly shift, and we are going to be squeezed from all sides every single year. They will just continue to raise the bar in terms of the requirement until it just becomes impossible to keep up unless you just slop your way through basically everything. On to the next point, the amount of absolute dogshit AI slop code that is going to be shipped will fly off the charts. We all know that Meta's culture is one of move fast and break things, ship a bunch of code, maybe fix it later. This is just going to make it 10 times worse. Oh, we need to use AI? Okay, well, I'm just going to code complete everything and tell DevMate to write all my code for me. Tap, 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 tap. Anyone who works at Meta knows that unless you're on a team that holds a high standard for code review, most of the time you get a LGTM and a green accept tick mark. Off you go into prod. I've seen some absolutely shocking and horrible code getting launched from some teammates who are clearly just AI slopping their way through their projects. To me, it's clear they're wholly incompetent, and without AI, they'd be sinking. Now, just multiply this across the entire company being forced to AI, and I can tell you that the codebase is going to be fucked beyond recognition. But hey, we can just let AI clean it up, right? It's just dystopian. Any expectations of code readability, maintainability, or best practices, yeah, those are just going straight out the window. Slop, 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 that's the name of the game. Why was it written this way? I don't know, bro, just vibe coded it. People are just going to take the path of least resistance. Why would I write solid code that's well thought out when that takes time and effort? Just vibe code, bro. I gotta hit my metrics for this half, so yeah. The final point, and perhaps this isn't really a meta-specific thing, but there's this absolute feeling of dread that comes from all of this. We're literally training the models that will replace most of us. The more AI we use, the more training data, and eventually the more of it will just be out of a job. Forcing the usage will just accelerate the pace. At the end of the day, employees are expensive. They can only focus for so long, they get sick, they need to pick up their kids from daycare, they want parental leave. The machines don't. They can run 24/7, no complaints, no getting tired. It just seems like we're coming to the end of the road as software engineers. Sure, there will always probably be the need for a small number of us to keep the lights on and maybe set the strategic direction, but it just seems that for the vast majority of us, the days are just numbered. The era of high-paying SWE jobs in FAANG being the goal will just slowly fade away as the positions get fewer and fewer and the expectations on the job become absolutely divorced from reality. Work yourself to the bone until you burn out, or we'll just find someone else to do it. It's profits over sanity now, nothing else matters, but perhaps it never did, and now they just have the means to really turn up the dial. Who knows anymore? It's an absolute shit show, and trust me, it's only going to get worse. This is Meta now. The old company many of us knew and were proud to work at is long gone. It's a completely different beast now, and I really doubt it will get better anytime soon, if at all. Well, that's enough ranting for one day. What are your thoughts on Meta's new AI policy? Are you surprised, or did you see this coming? How will you manage with the new changes? What do you think of the future of the tech industry and what it's going to look like in a few years? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching to the end. Subscribe for more content like this, and until next time, bye.